The Brave Cat. Tutu. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a beautiful yellow cat named Tutu. Tutu was very proud and confident. He loved to play, chase butterflies, and sometimes nap in the sun. But above all, Tutu loved his owner, a little girl named Lily. Lily was kind, clever, and always full of energy. She was still in school, and she loved spending time with Tutu. Every morning when Lily got ready for school, Tutu would rub against her legs, meow softly, and even try to sneak into her backpack. Wherever Lily went, Tutu followed her happily. They were best friends, almost like a little team. One warm afternoon, Lily and Tutu decided to go to the park. Lily wanted to play with her kite, and Tutu wanted to chase the falling leaves. They laughed, ran, and played together. Tutu jumped around, his yellow fur shining in the sunlight, and Lily giggled every time he made a funny move. But suddenly, a big, fierce dog appeared from behind the trees. The dog growled and ran straight toward Lily. Surprised and scared, Lily tried to run, but she tripped and fell on the ground. The dog was about to bite her leg. Lily screamed, "Help! Someone, please help me." At that moment, Tutu leaped forward without thinking twice. He hissed loudly and ran straight at the dog. He scratched, bit, and jumped, doing everything he could to protect Lily. The dog barked angrily, but Tutu was fearless. He blocked the dog's path again and again, refusing to let it hurt his best friend. People nearby heard the screams and came running. They shouted at the dog, and finally the dog ran away, frightened and hurt by Tutu's bravery. The crowd rushed over to help Lily. She was taken to the hospital to check her leg. After a few days, Lily recovered, but she was deeply sad. Sadly, brave little Tutu did not survive. He had been badly hurt while protecting Lily. Lily cried and hugged him gently, whispering, "Thank you, Tutu. You were the best friend anyone could have." Even though Tutu was gone, Lily remembered everything he had done. She remembered how a small, brave heart can make a huge difference, and how loyalty, courage, and love can protect and inspire others. She said that real friendship isn't just about playing together or having fun. Real friendship is about caring, protecting, and loving each other, no matter what. True friendship is more than playing or having fun together. It is about love, care, and loyalty. A brave heart can protect and inspire others, even in the hardest moments. When we act with kindness and courage, we not only help those we care about, but we also create a bond that lasts forever. Tutu's story teaches us that real friends are those who stand by us, protect us, and show their love through actions, not just words. Thank you so much for watching this story, my dear friends. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Word Wizardry for more wonderful English stories. See you soon with another story. Until then, take care and keep learning English with a smile.